Good morning and welcome to another vlog. So it is week 2 of my 6-week challenge. Today would be the start of week 2. And let me put it up here real quick. Okay, so it is the start of week 2 of my 6-week challenge, and week 1 was a little bit rocky because at the end of the week I ended up having to go to the hospital because I was dehydrated and all the things. So I tried to fix it myself, as you guys saw, but didn't quite do a good job. So what I love about this challenge and just what I love about life in general is that when you find out, when you know better, you do better. Okay, so now that I know that that's something that I deal with, we are going to take our hydration, vitamins, all that stuff a little more serious during this challenge, because if I'm going to be working out, I'm going to need to refill myself because I don't want to end up back in that situation. So as far as that goes, that's what happened with that. That's why I was in the ER, just really dehydrated, not feeling good at all. My heartbeat was kind of crazy. So yeah, so they were able to fix that. So we are back in action. It is Sunday. I'm about to go to church. My mom and son are coming with me this time. So we're going to go wait in the lines together as a family. Yeah, and then trading. Last week, I learned lessons about trading as well. Your girl thought she was just a day trader, okay? So I went in there into the markets. I did an amazing job. I pretty much doubled that money and then lost a big chunk because I tried to increase my contract size because I just thought I was that girl. So I learned to keep going with those small contracts until you really have mastered the skill, and then you can upscale. So I've learned some lessons last week that I'm going to take into this week. I'm also going to try my best to work out every day of this week because I did miss my workout yesterday by being at the hospital. So I kind of want to keep up with the 5 workouts a week type thing. So I'm going to see if I can maybe do those during the week and then have Saturday and Sunday be my rest day and just see how that goes. And maybe I'll go back to Wednesday and Sunday being rest days the following week. But yeah, so we're about to go to church. I'm wearing this Chosen t-shirt and got on some jeans today. I actually need to purchase some more like go to church type clothes or just dressier clothes, or the linen 2-piece and stuff that I had that were really cute in there. So just some cuter outfits. I'll probably go on Shein and make a cart and then order from there. But yeah, hair is definitely coming out today. We have to. My hair is getting braided this Saturday. It needs a break before it gets braided. So I didn't do it last week because all the things, but I'm gonna try my best to do it today. It has to get done today. I'm also meal prepping. Meal prep was a success last week. I missed one day of meal prep and had a cheat lunch, but other than that, I followed my meal prep. So we're gonna meal prep today, take hair down today. And yeah, let's head to church. And here's my breakfast for today. I got here early, so I'm really trying to be super high protein because of my just 6-week challenge and trying to work out and stuff. I'm trying to stay away from too many carbs. So I have this protein shake, eggs, and sausage for breakfast today.
Hey y'all,
y'all. So it is Wednesday. I have not vlogged in a while. Took my hair down, got it nice and cute and wrapped up for right now. I'm getting my hair done on Saturday. I registered Kaden for school today, so I went into work a little earlier. That's why you saw me trading this morning, eating my oatmeal and my eggs. On Monday, came home, worked out, had that zuppa toscana, like the Olive Garden soup. We made that, or my mom made that, I didn't make that, but had that on Monday. On Tuesday, what did I do? Worked out, didn't do much. I came into work early. I came into work early Monday and Tuesday so I could register him on Wednesday. So you saw me at work. I think I scanned a little bit and then ate my breakfast and stuff at work. And then today is Wednesday, so I registered Kaden for school this morning. Everything went really good, praise the Lord. And yeah, so at work today, I had to have a meeting. Basically, sometimes I just be talked a little too much. So I was asked the other day about a succession plan, like basically if my supervisor left, would I be wanting to step into the position? And I straight up said no. You guys know how I feel, like I'm just desiring more freedom. So I was like no. So when I said no, I had to end up having a meeting with that person about my answer and just like what I'm thinking and stuff like that. So I just kind of let them know like my experience outside of work, like I just don't desire to take on that responsibility at this moment because I want to be free and I want to have my time to myself. I did say that I was willing to learn, so if they need someone to step in as interim, which I've done previously, I can step in as interim, but at this moment, like I don't want to take that on. Now you never know, the Lord could come and change that, but like right now that's how I'm feeling and that's where we're going. So that's what happened today at work. And now I'm about to go in the house. I did my workout. It was an hour-long workout today. I did it this morning already, so I'm about to go eat my meal prep that I have for lunch because I went to work at 12, so I didn't go. I ate breakfast and then like I went to work. Therefore, I didn't eat my meal prep and I'm gonna eat it for dinner so it doesn't go to waste and so I can kind of stay on my diet. I don't want to call it a diet, but just eating better. So yeah, so I'm gonna go eat that and pretty much chill for the rest of the day because I don't have to work out today. And then tomorrow is Thursday, my last live trading day. Trading has been okay this week. I'm still kind of getting in the groove of it. Did really good yesterday, then did a little too much. So I'm still kind of just getting used to it. And I honestly feel like I'm kind of just learning on a smaller account. So when I do grow my account, I won't have these same bad mistakes or these bad habits, which is great. That's a blessing in itself to get rid of bad habits with a small account instead of with a large one. I don't want to start blowing accounts and stuff like that. So yeah, and then that's pretty much it. So tomorrow will be a regular day. I'll be working out, and then on Friday I'll have to blow my hair out so it can get braided on Saturday. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to check you. I just wanted to catch up with y'all, check you in. I just want to check y'all in real quick. Okay, so I got Starbucks for breakfast that I'm about to eat. I have a bunch of snacks in here. I just bought some more at the Dollar General. I just bought the hair. So now we have 10 minutes until it's time to get my hair braided. So I'm gonna try to scarf this down and let's go get my hair braided. Hey y'all, so I'm done getting my hair done. It's 105 degrees out here. It is so hot. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for my week, y'all. I don't know if I'm going to church tomorrow. I'll let you guys know in the next vlog. But I just wanted to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of all over the place, but hopefully we'll get better as we continue. But I'll see you guys in my next one. Like, rate, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Bye.